we are at India AI Summit at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. And I'm Shruti Sri, Director with India EY Practice. Along with me, I have Lalit Kanwa here.
Good morning, Shruti.
Good morning. And what energy we are looking around. So, and we are also releasing our AI impact report. Please have a look at it. So, Lalit, with our report also releasing and looking around lots of organizations, including working on AI, what do you think? What practical steps should an enterprise take in terms of threat detection and management with AI into picture throughout?
Thank you, Shruti. And but before I answer that question, it's a pleasure to be here at the AI India Impact Summit. It's like the entire world is here. There are so many delegates from the globe, across the globe, who come here. There are booths for different startups. What, how the world is changing with AI. And if you ask me honestly, I can't imagine what my life was without AI.
So much to do, so much to see.
Yes, and that's where the you cannot ignore cyber in today's landscape, and that's where how organizations are embedding AI into their cybersecurity journey becomes more relevant and imperative. So, if you ask the how can they have integrate AI into their threat detection? So, the first step that an organization needs to take is to embed AI into their SOC operations,
Okay.
into identifying and detecting. So the task that a L1 used to do of triaging, identifying, getting those intelligent threat feeds into your SOC so that you can have the context of your organization, so that you can align the threats and have, most importantly, have a, once all this is done, have an AI governance framework built on top of it, alongside ensuring how are you managing data privacy and data protection for the threats and the data.
Wow, thanks, Lalit. And also, you are a national leader for data privacy in EY. So, your thoughts on how data privacy is going to play a role in all of it? We understand that India also have DPDP Act, and we all are very passionate and excited about it. But when it comes to AI, what would be the scenario now?
So, as one of the our leaders says, there is no AI without the right data. And today in the world, the data that we have is there's a lot of personal data which is getting consumed by AI, and organizations today are not realizing that how AI is consuming the personal data. That is the first step that an organization should be doing, identifying what personal data is getting utilized in the AI, how can you control the usage of it, and ensure that you are compliant to not only DPDPA but the other laws of the world. So start with identification, have assessment, and the relevant controls.
So, essentially, discovery, privacy by design, regulatory requirements.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Lalit, for spending time with us.
Thank you, Shruti. It's a
Thank you
pleasure.
so much.
Thank you.